Gordon Batty's allegations of child sexual abuse were so confronting, councillors urged him to pursue his claims against state and religious institutions in court.
We were virtually begged to let our demons out of the closet.
But the Uniting Church successfully stopped the proceedings because the alleged abuser had died.
Gutted, betrayed, used, re-traumatised.
Abuse Support Service, Tuart Place, says permanent stays are being routinely used in civil cases.
That is an impediment to people going forward and is, we believe, designed to encourage people to accept a lower payment or to not proceed at all.
Just getting to trial is a slow process for some.
The whole process is fairly brutal, and many times I think I do regret even taking on the civil case.
Regrets compounded by a lack of support services.
These services are imperative. We know actually going through the process and through the court will re-traumatise people, so they need to have access to these services, but they can't. The wait period is 6 months.
The parliamentary inquiry is also looking at how well WA supports people who are trying to access the National Redress Scheme, and there are concerns that descendants of the stolen generations are missing out. Children and grandchildren of people taken from their families deemed ineligible for redress because they were not wards of the state, even though they were abused in state-funded foster care and institutions.
They rightly think that they would be eligible for redress under an institutional abuse scheme.
Hearings are expected to start later this year. Nick Perpich, ABC News.